Are you looking for the top 5 best air fryers for every kitchen? Before buying an air fryer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze. The Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze air fryer caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive features. Priced at $89.99, it promises to deliver crispy, juicy results with its Turbo Blaze technology. If you want consistently delicious meals with minimal effort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Turbo Blaze technology allows for 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That means your food cooks evenly and quickly, so whether you're air frying, baking, or reheating, you get perfect texture every time. Plus, the PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking with less oil, up to 95% less. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving this fryer. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, while it's not silent, it operates at less than 53 decibels, which is quieter than many other models on the market. If you're sensitive to noise, it might be a concern, but for most, it's a minor issue for the benefits it brings. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one appliance that can handle family meals with ease. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact for just 1 or 2 people. Considering its features, it's a solid value for money. Now, if that noise level bothered you, this next one takes a
Product number 2, Chefman 2 Cute Mini Air Fryer. The Chefman 2 Cute Mini Air Fryer is a compact gem that makes cooking feel effortless. At just $42.46, it's designed for quick meals without taking up counter space. If you're cooking for 1 or 2, this is definitely worth a serious look. The capacitive touchscreen lets you customize cooking time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly user-friendly. The shake reminder feature is a game changer, ensuring you get crispy results every time. Plus, with little to no oil needed, you're saying goodbye to greasy meals and hello to healthier cooking. It's small but mighty, fitting perfectly on your countertop while still offering a 2-quart capacity, ideal for quick snacks or single servings. With over 10,000 sold recently, it's clearly making waves. However, some users mentioned that the capacity might be too small for larger families. Here's the thing though, this mini fryer excels in speed and efficiency for smaller households, which makes it a great option if you don't need to cook for a crowd. This is perfect for you if you live alone or with one other person and want to whip up quick meals. Skip this one if you're looking to prepare larger family dinners. For its size and price, it's a fantastic deal. Product number 3, Ninja Air Fryer. Next up is the Ninja Air Fryer, a true powerhouse at a fantastic value. Although the price isn't listed, it's known for its solid performance and reliability. If you want a versatile kitchen companion that can tackle a variety of cooking methods, this one deserves your attention. With a 5-quart capacity, this air fryer can handle up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for family meals. The 4-in-1 functionality means you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you plenty of cooking options. The Air Crisp technology uses superheated air at 400 degrees Fahrenheit to deliver that crispy finish we all crave, using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt. And with over 10,000 units sold this past month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users have pointed out that it takes up a bit more counter space than they would like. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for an appliance that can replace multiple devices, the extra space might be worth it for the convenience and versatility it brings. This is perfect for you if you cook for a family or love entertaining guests. Skip this one if you're short on counter space and just need something compact. With its capabilities, it's definitely worth considering. Now, if you need something that can do even more, stick around for the next product. Product number 4, Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a real showstopper. Although the price isn't listed, it's known for its extensive cooking functions and spacious design. If you want an appliance that can tackle everything from air frying to baking, this is worth a serious look. With a whopping 26 QT capacity and 24 cooking functions, this air fryer toaster oven combo makes meal prep for large gatherings a breeze.
The dual-speed fan allows for golden, crispy results, and the stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its auto shutoff feature prevents overcooking, so you can enjoy perfectly toasted bread without worrying about the dreaded burnt toast. Given its capabilities, it's no surprise that it's gained over 10,000 buyers in the past month. On the downside, some users have mentioned it can be quite large, requiring ample counter space. Here's the thing. If you often host family dinners or parties, that larger size allows you to cook for multiple people at once, making it a great investment. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining and want a multifunctional appliance. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen and need something more compact. It's definitely a premium choice for those who value versatility. Now, if you're looking for something that combines multiple functions in a slightly smaller package, the next one will catch your interest.
Product number 5. Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer, a brilliant option for those who want it all. Although the price isn't available, it's praised for its versatility and functionality. If you want a powerful machine that can act as an air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator all in one, you should definitely consider this. With a 10-quart capacity, it's designed for family-sized meals, and the 17 touchscreen presets make cooking a breeze. You can air fry, bake, dehydrate, or roast, all while using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The interior lights allow you to monitor your cooking progress, so you can ensure everything is cooked perfectly. It's a great choice for busy families, and with 9,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction. However, some users found the learning curve a bit steep due to its many functions. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the versatility it offers far outweighs any initial confusion. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting in the kitchen and want a variety of cooking options. Skip this one if you prefer a simple So there you have it. 5 excellent air fryers, each with unique strengths. The Cosori Turbo Blaze stands out for family meals. The Chefman Mini is perfect for quick snacks. Ninja offers versatility. Emerald Lagasse is great for larger gatherings. And Chefman Multifunctional is ideal for those who want it all. Choose the one that best fits your cooking style.